Hi, everyone. I just want to share with you um, a new feature that Lab Aids has put in with their lab manuals. What it's called here, it's called ReadSpeaker, and it's found here at the top of your page. And what it will do is it will read the text out loud to you. So let me show you how this works. So first of all, whatever page you're on, you'll see that it has this listen button up here, and you can't do anything. It won't let you click on anything if your cursor is the crosshair, crosshairs like it is mine is right now. So I have to go over to the lower right hand corner and hit the text selection so I get this arrow. Once I do that, I can go up here and hit play. It will start at the very top of the page. So reading the very top of the page. So it starts out a little bit funny because it will read this activity 2, world resource consumption. So it sounds a little off when you hear this first part and then this title. But once it starts reading here in the paragraph, it is much more fluid, and I think is going to be a great resource for many of you. So let me just show you how it works here. I'm going to go ahead and hit play.
Activity 2, World Resource Consumption 10, Resources, Consumption of Petroleum and Other Important Use.
Oops. So
Of natural resources is for energy. Energy from natural resources is used to produce electricity, fuel cars, heat homes, and run factories. Natural resources used for energy can be renewable or non-renewable.
Okay, so I'm not sure what happened up here. I must have had a glitch with it just loading, because normally it's pretty fluid, and you could see how much fluid it was on reading the information here. Another nice thing is I like that it highlights the entire sentence and then it goes along, and the word that it's on, it makes it blue. If you go into the settings here, you can play around with if you want it to highlight word color or the sentence, what color it highlights the sentence. Maybe you don't want it highlighting at all. Those are all different things you can mess with in the settings, but I kind of like the way it's set up right here. The last thing that I want to tell you about, though, is when it gets to text that it goes over the pictures, it sometimes, or not sometimes, it will kind of read some funny numbers and stuff. That's because there are numbers associated with these pictures that we don't see, but the computer reader is going to read them. So just be aware that it's not perfect, but it's a great feature to have. Please don't hesitate to ask your teacher if you have any other questions or need some clarifications about this feature. Thanks.